Hi friends, this video shows how to update Amazon Prime Video app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to Media tab. Select Media tab from top left corner. Go to App Library. Here we can see list of apps which we have installed. From this list select Prime Video. Then press Options button on controller. See, this is the options button. Press this button. See, here we can see the options. Select check for update. Now it's checking for update. See, it says the game or app you have installed is the latest version. If there is an update, it would show that update here. From here we would be able to install update of Amazon Prime Video app. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.